I ain't gonna lie, being in these woods make you think like fast on things. Somebody told me a long time ago, don't never, ever take too long to move through the woods, okay? You gotta keep going. Okay, act like you know where you're going. Gotta watch this, make sure this is no water or anything. Okay, now this look crazy, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't even know how, which way should I go? Go this way, right? So we know, excuse me guys. Whoa, whoa, oh my goodness, that's deep. That is deep right there. Go, which way should I go? Uh-oh. I think these signs is for a reason. They got one right there, see? I'm hard head. Y'all hear that? Sound like a charger. Still got like halfway. This is the peach kind. It's decent. 1 through 10. I give it a 6. Okay. I don't know which way to go, man. Cause look, I don't know which way to go. Let me go back this way. Cause I know it's a gate. If I keep going north, I'm gonna run into a main street and it's a fence. And that's what I want y'all to see. So y'all be like, yeah, I know those woods he went through. The ones from the 219, y'all know where these woods at, man. Y'all should. Okay. See, yeah, I don't know which way to go. Look, man, see, look, there's just stuff everywhere. Oh. Keep going. And guess what? If I slip fall, we ain't adding in nothing. We gonna get all that on camera. Oh yeah. You gotta record the bad, right? Oh. Okay, see, go this way. Okay, keep going. Okay. Now, what does this red one mean? Okay, what does this say? Hold on, guys. Oh, man. I ain't trying to touch it with my hands. I don't know what's what. Hey, what is this? Okay, y'all, what do PL mean? Somebody let me know in the comments, man. Let me know what PL mean. Okay. Now I'm just thinking this way. Somebody said PL. They put the PL down. Dang. Look at this tree right here. Ooh-wee. Keep going. Shoot. Whoa. Which way? Left or right? Crap. Whoa. Shoot. Oh my goodness. Okay, left or right? Go this way. Go this way. Keep going. Okay, we got two pink ones right here and a red one right there too, and another pink one. It must get real. Oh, there goes some more too. It must get. So they got a lot. I guess the more of these pink signs in the area, probably the more swampier and wet it is, I'm assuming, guys. I mean, that makes sense, right? ain't gonna lie. Energy drink got me turn. Go this way. Ugh. So I know I ain't talking as much, but just take this video, guys, as if like you're taking a walk with me, okay? You don't even got to come outside and they just come out. I'm sorry. Click on the video and just walk with me. Oh crap! I know where we at now. For all my 219, I know where we at now. I know exactly where we at. Now, let me set this down. And hold on 1 second, guys. One second. I gotta put my bandana on just in case one of these cars. It's the police. You know what I'm saying? I don't want them to see my face. Because I know I'm supposed to be up in here. So my voice might sound a little bit muffled. I got this bandana on now. Because I'm getting up to this main street just in case the police come. I don't want them to see my face. Oh, they go to basketball. Let's kick this thing. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Got a tire right there. Got a Luke. Got a Luke cup. Dang. Oh, what was that? Oh, that tree. I tweaked for a minute. Go through this. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, man. I gotta walk. Let me show y'all where I'm at, man. For all my 219, let me show y'all how far your boy wheeled and walked, man. What is that? Some tequila? Somebody was getting wasted. Let me put my face mask back on. So y'all, this is where we at, man. They go to Sharks right there. They go Big Daddy's, and they go to Little Library joint. And here come the cars. So I'm gonna get back in the woods. All right, I'm gonna take this bandana off now. We good. All right. So y'all, now we gotta walk all the way back. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be rough. This is gonna be a rough one, man. But yeah, I wanted y'all to have a little nature walk with me. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video. We almost 50 minutes in. The sun's still busting, still shining, giving me my guidance and my inspiration to keep moving and grooving through this thing. Y'all be safe. Enjoy your weekend and peace and abundance. And 2025 is only what you make it, baby. Y'all have a good one.